Seriously? You want a hat? Huh?
Here we go. I have alcohol in my cup. What are we doing today?
We gotta put up the sewer hose holder.
Yay! Sewer hose holder.
Damn.
Best day ever! So, we have this car for right now, but that's going to our oldest daughter and 2 grandchildren this week. So, we will be traveling together again. Still separately. I don't like that.
This is awesome. We needed this really bad because when we were in, traveling last summer, we put the bikes on the back, the bumper. It's a great idea. We even put these things on. Show them these. Those things that are supposed to support the bumper there. See these? Well, they do. But if you see right there, you can see a little bit of bent where that rust is on the bottom. It's totally bent. But so it's totally bent, so you can only get 2 hoses, barely 2 in there. And when we were in Alabama, which that's the best in the whole wide world to hold those in the bumper. When we were in Alabama, we had like 40 feet. So it would hold it, whatever it was, 4 hoses. It would hold it if it wasn't bent, right?
Uh-huh.
But it was bent. So we've been storing them other ways, which I don't like. You know, it's gross. Doesn't matter what you do. It's disgusting. It's very disgusting.
We have another storage.
Yeah, so we'll put this on. This goes out to like, I don't know what they say, 94 feet, 94 inches. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, no big deal. So
That's littering.
who needs those directions? Seriously? You want a hat? Huh? That's littering.
It's all right. Hi. Hi. Okay, so. Here we go. My babe's still under there, but here is what we just installed. The hose carrier for the dirty hose. I don't know what else you call it for the cleanouts. There we go. Ta-da! Good job, babe.
Yeah, it's done, huh?
Good job.
All right, cool. So now we can store those things properly.
Yeah.
Well, we had them safe and all that, but you know, much better now.
Yeah. Thanks, babe.
Yeah. All right.
All right. Bye. Bye. Yeah, this is one of our favorite spots. We love it.
Love it.
I think that one's an Airbnb.
Is it really?
I think so. When we first pulled up, there was some people that brought their golf cart.
Can we rent it?
I don't know.
Can you imagine if we rented that?
Oh my gosh. That would be so much
I
fun.
would love it.
Oh, they like,
Where are they?
I think there's a trail. Oh, that's where the tent, like they don't have tent campers anymore, but that's where the tent campers used to be. There they are.
Hi.
Hi. Hey. Hey.
Look, the water is so close.
Do you imagine tandem electric bikes? Wouldn't that be fun?
Gosh.
Wouldn't it?
You're probably the only person on the planet that I would trust on one of those, though.
Well, don't know about all that, babe. Pretty, huh?
John, how many do you think people just leave their trailers behind over here?
A ton.
A ton.
People like $25 and just make the rounds on each one of these.
Look at these two. Hold on, let's get a picture. Get over here. Oh my god, you guys are so cute.
We just did a wild trail.
Hi, boys.
God.
You would have been mad.
Love. Those are our
You would have
dogs.
been. I love this place.
The place is still there?
We have fishing poles. Oh, it's pretty high tide. Let's do it.
Let's do it. I would love to do that.
Our backyard with our best friends. I'm going fishing and my baby's going fishing too.
Going fishing.
I'm going fishing. Yes, I'm going fishing and my baby's going fishing too.
Wow.
Look at my camera. Wow. I have that cinematics. Look at the water.
Yeah, that is cheap, and it's not cheap.
So loud. No, baby, I can't.
Put one foot
I
on the
can't.
pedal. I'm
I'm
not
out.
going to go anywhere.
I'm out. Yes, you are.
What if you got on the back spokes?
No, no, no.
Oh, okay, I see.
No, 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 no.
We're cruising.
Here we go.
Oh, baby, my dress. See ya.
Betty, sit over there.
Here. Sorry. I'm drinking.
I know it.
I have alcohol in my cup.
I don't. Say hi.
Hello.
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 Well, I just wanted to see if Kyle really wants me to have his Ray-Bans. Because this is like the third time. This is the third time they've been
really
left.
Want John to have them?
That'd be a great
It's the
gift.
third time you've left them.
That would be a great gift.
If you wouldn't mind just holding on to them.
Oh, I believe I held on to them for like a month at one time.
I believe you probably did.
I think I'm going to send you a picture on all of our adventures with the glasses.
That would be perfect. And I indubitably apologize.
Indubitably.
In dubes.
All right.
If you can keep them safe and
I will.
secure,
I just
greatly
didn't want him.
appreciate.
I just didn't want him running around the house tomorrow freaking out looking for his shades.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, he definitely would have been.
All right. Well, we won't let that
All right,
happen.
we'll see you guys
All
tomorrow.
right. Adios.
Love you.
All right, bye. Love you.
That's what you do when you go in. And you got all those hot coals. Perfect. Thank you, Weber. Solostove. It's awesome.